Welcome to Autopedia, your ultimate destination for automotive insights. Today, we dive into the stunning exterior of the 2026 Toyota RAV4, a vehicle that redefines modern SUV design. Starting with the front, the 2026 RAV4 sports a bold, aggressive grille with intricate mesh detailing, framed by sleek LED headlights that now feature sharper angles. This updated design not only gives the SUV a dynamic presence but also enhances aerodynamics, contributing to improved fuel efficiency. The hood is sculpted with deep creases, lending a sense of power and motion even when the vehicle is stationary. Moving to the sides, the RAV4 retains its sporty and rugged silhouette, but with subtle refinements. The character lines are sharper and more defined, seamlessly connecting the front and rear, giving the car a cohesive and aerodynamic look. The 2026 model sits on 19-inch alloy wheels, available in multiple finishes, including gloss black and polished chrome. These wheels complement the sporty vibe while maintaining a robust off-road stance. The wheel arches are slightly flared, emphasizing the RAV4's readiness for both urban streets and challenging terrains. At the rear, the RAV4 boasts redesigned LED tail lamps with a 3D effect, creating a visually striking appearance. The tailgate features a clean and minimalist design, highlighted by a subtle spoiler that enhances aerodynamics. A dual exhaust system with chrome tips adds a sporty flair, ensuring the SUV looks as powerful as it feels. Another standout feature is the roof line, which now incorporates a sleeker profile. Roof rails come standard, providing both utility and an adventurous aesthetic. Whether you're carrying bikes or luggage, the RAV4 makes a bold statement. Toyota's attention to detail is evident in the small touches, like the blacked-out pillars that create a floating roof effect, and the bold color palette, which includes new options like electric blue, metallic and urban khaki. These colors further enhance the vehicle's appeal to modern SUV enthusiasts. In terms of history, the RAV4 has always been a pioneer, setting benchmarks for SUVs since its inception. The 2026 model takes that legacy forward by blending innovation with the timeless design. That's all for the exterior of the 2026 Toyota RAV4. Stay tuned to Autopedia for more reviews, walkthroughs, and automotive insights. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.